Just a typical day in my home.
Just a day at the office. Which brings us to the next remedy, which for all of you is free. It can be done anywhere. It is yoga. So Laura's come up with your yoga poses. Now, you argue it boosts your immunity, which is one of the reasons you do it.
I think it does boost your immunity. I mean, first of all, circulation, as you know, is incredibly important to a healthy system. And also, when do we get sick? We get sick when we are run down, and then it feels like really unfair. You say, why on top of everything am I getting a cold? It's like, well, you've created the perfect home for a virus to come in and invade you. And be like, hey, I'm gonna stay here for a little while, and you're too worn down to be able to deal with it.
I've never thought about it that way. It is the model home.
It is the model home. You're like, great, this is so cozy.
Hey, come on, show me some poses. Daphne,
so sad that I have to leave it.
I'm overheating from this lovely hot golden milk latte. I'm gonna sit and drink.
You're excused.
Watch you guys.
She's gonna watch us
all right,
while we do it.
Here, Daphne, here, hold this. Lie on this.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you.
All right.
So which is the first pose?
So first, we're going to start with, you want me to be here?
Daphne wants to participate later
Just in case.
Okay.
You know, take notes for after the baby's born.
I will do.
We'll do it again. I'll come over anytime. So the first thing is cat-cow. So talking about breathing, you know, one of the things it is so important to learn how to breathe properly. A lot of us breathe in through our mouths. There's no filtration system through our mouth. Now that we can gargle water, we're really good at that. But you know, our nose has a natural filtration system. So a lot of people will say, a lot of yogis will say, why would you breathe in through your mouth? Would you eat through your nose?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, that's right. It makes sense, actually.
It makes sense.
Nose is for breathing, mouth for eating.
Right,
Don't
so,
flip it.
Don't flip it. So if you arch your back, you look up. This is called cow pose. And then you inhale on a cow pose, and then you exhale into cat pose. And then you inhale into cow pose.
Do I look like a cow, Daphne?
No comment.
Moo.
No comment.
And then from here, we'll go into our next little sequence, which is you can bend your elbows, and then you can come into cobra pose. You can also do upward facing dog, which just means that your legs are off the floor. You're opening your shoulders up, and this is really great to help with congestion. Now, our last pose is really great for the lymphatic system.
I'm so glad I'm not doing this.
Although this one you can go do at home when you're not wearing a dress. And you run and bring your legs up. So this is actually called legs up the wall. We don't have a wall here. It can be a little bit tricky to get close enough to a wall. So you can always use a chair. You can do this while you're watching this show. If you're watching the show on TV, you can just put your legs up right now. And this is great because it drains your legs and helps with your circulation.
Laura, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.